Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you enjoy my video, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon given below. Here are the measurements of the fabric required. Fold it in half, then again fold it in half. Fold it sharply to get a perfect result. Then again fold it in half for the third time. Stitch two open sides as shown in video. Similarly, stitch the opposite side. Turn it inside out and remove the corners with the help of a scissor. Fill the outermost pocket with pearls and beads. You can also use any other decorative material. Stitch the open side as shown in the video. Make two similar pieces but in opposite direction. Now paste the two pieces together and cover it with the help of a ribbon. Decorate the prepared bow shaker with the help of pearls and beads. You can either stitch it or paste it. Paste the bow shaker on the clip. Now our bow shaker is ready. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon given below.